Now that you have successfully installed Power BI, let's get an overview of its interface. When you open Power BI, first you will get a welcome screen like this. Here, you can perform a few quick actions like getting data and accessing recent Power BI files. If you don't have any recently saved Power BI files, then you will not see anything here. In the middle section, you have the option to sign into your Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, don't worry. You won't need it to work on the Power BI desktop. On the right-hand side, you have a few useful links. We can see new features released by Power BI, read Power BI blogs, access forums, and access Power BI tutorials to improve our knowledge. For the time being, we will not use this screen, so we can close it and go to the Power BI landing page. We have the Power BI canvas in the center of the screen. This is where we build our reports. All the charts and graphs we make in Power BI will appear here. On the top, we have the ribbon. This looks similar to the ribbon of any other Microsoft product like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. The Home tab allows us to get data from different data sources or enter data manually. For an example, this data source might be an Excel workbook or even a database. From the Insert tab, we can insert new pages, visual elements, text boxes, shapes, and many more. We also have the Modeling tab where we can create new columns or perform certain calculations. From the View tab, we can change the layout of the report and add themes to our dashboard. We also have the Help tab, giving us quick access to training videos, documentation, blogs, and Power BI community. We will explore each of these options in detail when we start to build a report, but for the time being, we will get only an overview of what we can do. On the left-hand side, we have the option to get different views. We have the report view, which is our default view, but we have our data view and model view as well. As we haven't started to build our reports yet, you won't be able to see anything here. But when you build reports, your report view would look like this with all the nice visualizations you built. In the data view, you can see the actual data you used when building those visualizations. Here you can see that I have used two data tables. In the model view, we can see how our tables are interconnected with one another. If we go back to our main page, on the right-hand side, we can see different types of visualizations we could use to build our reports. Under the Fields tab, we can see different data tables we work with, and you can expand it to see the columns you have. Again, as we haven't started to build our dashboard yet, you won't see anything here on your laptop. At the bottom, we have the option to add new reports to our dashboard. You can simply click on the plus button and add a new page. In the next video, we will see how to get data into Power BI and start building our first report.